Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the system safe and measurable. Put on safety glasses and gloves, then relieve any residual pressure before you touch fittings. Once done, isolate the AC by capping the low and high service ports and attach a pressure-rated gauge and hose. Next, set the air compressor to about 30 to 50 psi, low enough to protect components but high enough to reveal leaks, and pressurize the system while you watch the gauge for immediate drops. Now you move into detection mode. Spray a liberal soapy solution on seams, O-rings, Schrader cores, hose ends, and fittings because bubbles show escaping air. Meanwhile, use a mechanic stethoscope or a long screwdriver against metal panels to listen for a high-pitched hiss. Position it within 1 to 2 centimeters of joints to amplify small leaks. Once you find suspect areas, mark them with tape. Make sure to repressurize between each check and observe the gauge for small, gradual drops that indicate slow leaks. Finish by confirming and fixing the problem. You should verify the leak using soap, UV dye, or an electronic leak detector before you take anything apart, because false positives waste time. Once confirmed, replace worn O-rings, tighten or swap bad fittings, and retest. Aim for the system to hold pressure for 24 to 48 hours. If pressure continues to fall, isolate system sections and repeat bubble testing or perform a vacuum test. This troubleshooting step narrows hidden leaks quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.